Hello guys, Charlie here with CSA Appliance. Today I got a new video for you guys on how to fix a washing machine that is not locking. If you like this video or any other of my videos, hit that thumb up button, share and subscribe. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to be replacing a door switch on a Samsung front load washing machine. Always make sure your appliance is disconnected before servicing it. The first thing you want to do is take the top off. You want to do this by accessing the back of the machine and removing the two screws at the top of the machine that hold the lid. After doing so, the lid will come off by sliding to the back. You now want to remove the soap dispenser by pressing the tab at the back of the drawer. You can now go ahead and unscrew the screws that hold the lock mechanism in place. There will be 3 of them. The next step is to take the spring-loaded clamp that holds the door seal in place. You will do this with a flathead screwdriver. Now start removing the door seal off the lip of the machine frame. After this, you can go back to the top of the machine and start removing the screws that hold the control board bracket in place. Sometimes the screws may get a little stuck, so the best thing to do is use a screwdriver to unlock the screw to prevent it from stripping. The control board will come off by pulling up on the top of it and unlocking the little tabs that hold it in place. You may have to remove the soap dispensing reservoir to be able to pull up on the control board for it to come right off. Now disconnect the wiring harnesses to remove the control board completely off. After removing the control board, you will expose screws that hold the front door panel. You want to unlock those screws and remove them completely. Your machine may have an access door with a drain filter that has screws also. You will now find 2 tabs that you have to press down with the screwdriver to pull the door panel to the front. Some machines may have 2 screws at the bottom that you have to take off. Now that you can pull the whole door panel off, you can remove the cover off the door latch and start removing the wiring harnesses. If you haven't removed all the screws from the front of the door panel, go ahead and do so now. Now you can remove the old broken door latch. Go ahead and grab your new latch and install it the way you removed the old one. Replace all the screws to their original positions. Now replace the door seal back onto the lip. After that, replace the spring-loaded clamp that holds the door seal. You might want to check all the screws to make sure they're nice and snug. Now replace the control board. There will be 4 tabs at the bottom that go into the door panel. Connect the wiring harness. Now snap the control panel back into place. Reinstall your soap dispenser drawer. If your machine has an access door with a drain filter, make sure you put the screws back into place and put the access door back into its original position. Finally, put the top back on and reinstall the screws. Hook your machine back up again.